how you can get to your first $500 or $600 per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2025 going to 2026 with Google pay-per-click ads. Now, why I talk about Google pay-per-click ads, as you can see over here, this is the new ClickBank account for each niche. This is the info product, digital space niche. So I'm promoting different products, right? In the manifestation, self-help, hobby, personal development niche. And the reason why is because now it's almost Christmas and New Year. So it's perfect opportunity, perfect timing to promote these kind of products. Now, maybe you have tried ClickBank before and you have failed. You lost some money on ads and now you are afraid to spend money. And I understand how it feels. Why? Because it's not your fault. Maybe you have tried different methods that are outdated, different courses that are outdated, used to work few months, few years ago. But now because of algorithm, AI and everything, things are changing. So you have to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, by hand-holding you, so you can actually have sustainable passive income, meaning sustainable affiliate earnings from ClickBank affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click ads. So you don't have to create any kind of videos. You don't have to make videos of yourself. You don't have to do it yourself. Okay, that is the done with you, done for you system that it will allow you to start generating results as a beginner, as a newbie, okay? Even if you have tried and failed before, okay? Because it all comes down, if you want this kind of result, it all comes down to understanding psychology of ads and understanding that the money is in the buyer's clicks, buyer's intent, okay? So you need to have the right intent, the right buyers in order to have results. So as you watch this video, if you want to get results with ClickBank affiliate marketing as a beginner, without making any videos, even if you have never made a sale before, but you're serious and you're smart, and I know you are because you're still watching this video, then now is the perfect opportunity and chance to give yourself a gift before Christmas, before New Year, to actually start having results now. Because people who are waiting and procrastinating and making excuses, okay, are left out again and again. So if you want to have results, let me know. There is my Instagram, there is my WhatsApp number under this video, there is my email, Facebook Messenger, but connect with me one-on-one only if you're serious and if you want to have these kind of results before Christmas or before New Year, working 20 to 30 minutes per day, okay? No matter where you live, are you in Australia, India, US, Canada, Germany, it doesn't matter. What matters is to be able to invest in yourself, to get it up and running once for all, to start having these kind of results.